All right, I make a lot of videos, so I need a lot of space. And this is 6 terabytes. It's a WD, and we're gonna check it out, hook it up to the computer and see what we think. How's that sound? Of course, I've got to get it open first. Okay, there we go. Right now, I just got to get it open. Oh, here we go, yeah. Oh, of course, it's in a plastic thing. All right, oh, but this one's easy to get open, I think. Oh yeah, here it is. Check it out. All right, so it's got one of these doohickeys on here. This is 6 terabytes. It does come with this doohickey here, which tells you how to do it. And you're definitely gonna need this, all right? Don't lose it because you need this special, let's see if I can get it open here. You need this, because this has gotta go in here. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the back to it. I think that's the back. And then this flat part is on top. And then you got to slide it in there. Bam, ready to go. And then just pull this off. And now I can plug this into my computer. Now they give you can go USB-A, USB-A, USB-C. You follows me? So yeah, we're going to shove it in and just see how it works. How's that sound? All right, let's do it. Here's the back of my computer. And as you can see, I've already used all my USB-Cs. So I'm going to pop off the USB-C adapter. And we're going to go with the USB-A. And I'm just going to plug it right in here. I got a 50-50 chance with these, right? That's the nice thing about the C's is they just slip in. But anyway, oh God. Am I stupid or what? Oh, there we go. All right, we're in, right? There it is. I'm going to hang on to that because we could use that. So now I've got this. You can see I've got an array of different hard drives. But yeah, bam, Bob's your uncle. So now we just got to see if it shows up on the computer. All right, look, bam, here it is. It's already here. Look at that, Passport for Mac. So yeah, let's just click on it. All right, so there it is. And now if I wanted to put something in there, all I got to do is drop and drag it. Just like that, it's in. So yeah, not too bad, right? So if I wanted to put all of this in there, I could. I could just highlight it all and just drag it in. So bam, that's working great. Here it is. See it right there? Bob's your uncle. This thing's gonna work fantastic. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this for my Mac. Peace out.